Hey good people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're my subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my shows. I appreciate that a lot. I'm sure you are learning a lot and that's why you keep coming back. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you can benefit from the shows that I make. So today we will be making blueberry and beet juice. This is an antioxidant superfood, the blueberries, that's what I'm referring to. The berries are high in potassium and vitamin C, and not only can they lower the risk of heart disease and cancer, they are also an anti-inflammatory. Beets, on the other hand, are an antioxidant, excellent in detoxifying the blood and renewing it with minerals and natural sugars, bringing important sustenance to the brain, heart, lungs, liver, and kidneys. I chose to add in some spinach to it because spinach are a natural antioxidant. Simply cutting the beets into small pieces and then adding to your blender together with the blueberries and the spinach in equal portions. These were half cup each, and then adding some water, just maybe half a cup. This is when you weigh in when the glass is half full, because all these ingredients fit into that one blender, my blending cup, and then go ahead and blend and enjoy the juice. This was very good, pleasing to the eye and to the stomach as well. And if you feel like you benefited from this video, don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends. Remember, sharing is for free so that we can all benefit, and subscribe for more.